Imagine a world where grocery stores are empty, supply chains have crumbled, and survival depends on your ability to grow your own food. Whether you're preparing for uncertain times or simply want to live more self-sufficiently, knowing which crops to grow in a post-apocalyptic world is, well, absolutely essential. In today's video on gentle herb living, we're diving into the top survival gardening crops that are not only easy to grow, but also rich in nutrition, hardy in various climates, and excellent for long-term sustenance. Let's begin with potatoes. This humble root crop is a survival staple for a reason. Potatoes are calorie-dense, full of potassium, and incredibly versatile. Just a few seed potatoes can yield a hefty harvest, and they store well for months in a cool, dark place. They're also relatively low maintenance and can even be grown in containers or grow bags, making them perfect for small spaces or hidden garden plots. Next up are beans, especially dry beans like kidney, pinto, and black beans. These powerhouses are packed with protein and fiber, which are essential for keeping your energy up in a survival scenario. Beans also fix nitrogen in the soil, helping to enrich your garden naturally. Grow them vertically using poles or trellises to save space, and once harvested and dried, they can last for years when stored properly. A survival garden wouldn't be complete without winter squash, such as butternut acorn or spaghetti squash. These vegetables are not only filling and nutritious, but their thick skins allow them to be stored without refrigeration for months. Squash plants, they really do produce generously and thrive best in full sun with rich composted soil. Their large leaves can also provide great ground cover, which helps to reduce weeds and retain moisture. Another must-have is kale, often called a superfood, and honestly, for good reason. Kale is nutrient-dense, packed with vitamins A, C, and K, and it continues to grow even in those cooler temperatures. It's one of the few leafy greens that can survive frost, making it an excellent year-round crop in many regions. Plus, it's a cut-and-come-again plant, which basically means you can harvest leaves continuously as it grows. Let's not forget carrots. These root vegetables are easy to grow, store well in the ground or root cellar, and provide essential beta-carotene for vision and immune health. Carrots thrive in loose, well-drained soil, and with a bit of patience, they reward you with crisp, sweet roots that are great raw or cooked. Moving on to garlic, one of nature's best medicinal and culinary crops. Garlic stores well for months, adds flavor to any dish, and offers antibacterial and antiviral properties. So, to grow garlic, you'll want to plant it in the fall and let it overwinter, and then you'll have a lovely summer harvest. It's really simple, reliable, and honestly incredibly valuable in a survival garden. Now let's talk about corn, specifically heirloom dent or flint corn, which you can dry and then grind into flour or meal. Unlike sweet corn, these varieties are grown mainly for their storage potential. Corn gives you carbohydrates and can be used for baking or, making porridge. It's a heavy feeder, though, so the best thing is to plant it with beans and squash in a Three Sisters setup. That way, you can balance nutrient demands naturally. For quick-growing and dependable greens, you might want to consider Swiss chard. It's hardy, tolerant of both heat and light frosts, and provides colorful, nutritious leaves and stems. Chard can be harvested continuously and, it regrows well, offering a steady supply of vitamins and minerals. Herbs also play a vital role in survival gardening. While they're not calorie-dense, herbs like thyme, oregano, mint, and basil offer medicinal benefits, help with digestion, and really improve the flavor of simple meals. Mint, in particular, is excellent for calming stomach issues and can be brewed into a soothing tea. These herbs grow easily in containers and can be dried and stored for year-round use. Finally, consider planting sunflowers. While they're beautiful, they also serve multiple functions. Sunflower seeds are a nutritious snack full of healthy fats and protein. The stalks can be used as trellises for other plants, and the oil extracted from seeds can be used for cooking or even lighting. They grow well in most climates and add cheer to any garden, no matter the world outside. When planning a post-apocalyptic or survival garden, focus on crops that offer high yields, storage potential, nutritional value, and versatility. Choose heirloom varieties whenever possible so you can save seeds and replant year after year, ensuring your food supply continues. Start building your garden now so you're prepared for whatever the future holds. Thanks for joining me on Gentle Herb Living. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on herbal wellness, natural living, and self-sufficiency. Stay safe, stay prepared, and as always, stay well with nature.